Good morning from Rajasthan. We are near to Ajmeer. Just before Ajmeer, reached here very late last night, as we were not sure where we're going to stay. So we found this beautiful place late last night and managed to find a room here. It's fully booked resort. So that's the property. So this is called DJI Niwas Palace. Check it out. It's a beautiful property. If you're coming to Rajasthan, especially around Ajmer, you should come stay here. It's worth the price you pay. They have a beautiful pool, and there's a river right in the back, and a lot of greenery around. We found peacock just by our room and a lot of birds around. Definitely worth coming. So today the plan is we head out to the border of Indo-Pak, and from there to Amritsar. Hope to reach Amritsar by late evening. If you're not able to make it, then we stay somewhere en route and reach Amritsar tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Do stay tuned as we ride along the desert dunes of Rajasthan. It's going to be an exciting day ahead. So we just passed Ajmer Dargah and now heading towards Pushkar, the famous Pushkar area in Rajasthan. I think the Pushkar. Whoa. The famous Pushkar area of Rajasthan, where the Pushkar Mela happens. Wow, check out that. Beautiful. We're climbing right on top of this Pushkar area. Very rocky and hilly, green. I think this is like a pass. We get on to the other side of the hill. We're going to the land of the passes, that is Ladakh. So day 3 of our ride, we're in Rajasthan and in Pushkar, to be precise, after Ajmer, and enjoying the serene beauty of Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is not about temple, palaces and havelis. It also has a lot of greenery in some areas. Got deserts, different kind of landscape, lot of culture, heritage, history, and a beautiful state. Lot to explore in Rajasthan. So we're just doing a bit of Rajasthan, and tomorrow we'll be in Punjab, in the गन्ने के खेत में. Lot of sugarcane and rice in Punjab. Hope to have some sugarcane juice tomorrow. Heavy traffic in this ghat. Very tough to overtake. Check out the hills around. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, some nice cars coming up on this area. I think it's a popular tourist destination, Ajmer and Pushkar. heavy traffic. Got to be very careful. So we're going to do about 400 kilometers of this. It's a Pushkar fort. Let's see if we can get some drone shot of that. I've seen that fort in some blog. So after Pushkar, we're heading towards Bikanair. If you heard of the Bikanair Wala, they make all this mixture and dry stuff, sell it across India, packed. That is from Bikanair. Maybe the person is from Bikanair and maybe he's operating out of Bombay, I think. So it's still named after Bikanair. Toll gate ahead, so hopefully we have better roads after the toll. Bikanair is 240 kilometers. So Bikanair is very close to the Pakistan border. So Rajasthan has international borders. That is, of course, Pakistan. That bird was having a bath in this water because of the heat in Rajasthan. So we are a bit lost to find Bikanair. That is Sandeep Anand. Beautiful Rajasthan. Rajasthan, the city of, the state of palaces, beautiful landscape. So we are close to Pakistan right now, Nimbi Joda and Badi Katu. So we're going to hit the border area in the next couple of hours from now. I have a friend staying around here. He works for L&T, Shankar. So we'll be meeting him and staying over in his place. And then tomorrow we'll leave to Amritsar, as I don't think we can do Amritsar in one day. It's quite a challenging drive through Pakistan. Sorry, drive through Rajasthan. Why did I say Pakistan? Very dry state, Rajasthan. Not as green as Punjab or Madhya Pradesh. The two neighboring states for Rajasthan. So I am supposed to be on a state highway. Not a proper highway actually. Guy was coming straight into me. Supposed to hit one more highway after this 15 kilometers from now. So Jaipur is right from here, and Choti something, Choti Katu is where we are heading towards. are the dead straight highways of Rajasthan. Absolutely dead straight. Beautiful roads in Rajasthan. The government has done a fantastic job on the roads. Check out the speeds I'm doing on these Rajasthan roads. This is not even a national highway. These are the state highways. Very straight and closed on both sides so animals don't come in. And this is a Honda Africa Twin CRF1000L. It's not a sport bike. Did 200 couple of stretches. Check out that, absolutely straight. So check out the trees on both sides of the road. I think it's newly planted. And there is a star rider, Mr. Sandeep Anand, coming here. He's supposed to be very sleepy right now. So say hi to him, people. And that's his bike.